I was editing a video and that spin, and it came up with a big one on the last one. On the free spin. Oh my goodness. We are up nicely. What a final spin that was. Bang. I've never seen that trigger it. If it triggers that, it's like a special bonus. But you know, after the first great bonus, we haven't had anything yet. I got something, wasn't big. Let's see what we got left. We got 2 more spins. 150. See if we can get that. Alright, need one more good spin here. Good spin, maybe. Nope. Small bonus. Alright. Okay. Oh man. Oh gosh.